Voice assistant of 21st century is yet to reach the level of Jarvis from the Iron Man. In recent years, there have been a lot of developments in the technology of intelligent voice assistant. They are not the most intelligent right now, however, they can complete few jobs properly in our personal life and can also improve our home experience. Voice assistants are yet to reach their full potential where they can take commands and bring full automation into our home. However, it's not impossible and is being implemented in smart houses. Back when they were first introduced, voice assistants were only able to do basic things on our phones. But now, they have control over things like lights, TV, sound system, and other appliances of our home. And in future, they're expected to have more control to make our life comfortable. The very first voice assistant was Siri from Apple. It was launched as an app for iOS in 2010, and since then, several voice assistants came out. Out of all of them, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa are more popular than any other voice assistant in the market. The reason Siri is not on top, even though it was the first voice assistant, is because Siri does not work on any other platform outside Apple's ecosystem. There are other voice assistants on the market like Cortana from Microsoft and Bixby from Samsung, but they could not live up to the expectation, so that leaves us with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Many people are often get confused between which side to be on, Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Hey everyone, I'm Nick from TechSquare, and in this video I am going to help you choose your side. Let's start with accessibility. You can use your Google Assistant when you talk to your Google Home speaker and Google Home devices, or when you long press the home button on your Android phones. On the other hand, Alexa is primarily an assistant of Amazon's Echo speakers, Fire TV devices, and to a lesser extent, Fire tablets. Most of these devices are directly manufactured either by Google or Amazon. However, both voice assistant is supported by a wide range of third-party smart home products. While the Google Assistant comes built into just about all new Android phones. It is available for iPhones as well. You can download Alexa for Androids and iPhones too, but sadly the app doesn't give you full experience of Alexa, which is expected when you are on a platform that is rival to yours. Because of this, most of the Android users prefer Google Assistant over Alexa. In my opinion, Amazon should try harder to integrate Alexa more into the Android ecosystem. You can also use these softwares in TV with Chromecast or can buy Chromecast-enabled devices. In case of Alexa, it comes into play with the newer Fire TV remotes. There's a mic in the included remote. You can request content with just a voice command. This feature makes it easier to control the TV while you are too lazy to press the button on your remote. However, one thing that bugs me about Google Assistant very much is that its wake word is Hey Google or OK Google. Meanwhile, you can wake Alexa by just saying the word Alexa. Alexa seems easier to say than OK Google or Hey Google. Right now, the Google Assistant knows more about you and everyone in your life thanks to the Android smartphones and Google's vast database. If you ask the assistant about anything, it is more likely that it will find an answer for you within seconds. Not only that, there is an experimental feature that Google showcased last year, which was Google Duplex. With Google Duplex, your assistant can call your favorite restaurant, barbershop, or your doctor to make an appointment for you. It will be able to respond to the person on the other side like they are talking to a real person. People of 43 states in US has access to this feature where they can call their favorite restaurant to book their seat. When this feature will be available globally is yet to be known. However, when this feature is fully developed, this could actually be the very beginning of something revolutionary to the virtual assistant technology. While Alexa has improved a lot recently and is still improving, it's still not enough to win or be equal against Google Assistant. For example, Google Assistant doesn't fail when asked when are UK taxes due, but Alexa does. Alexa's skill can also seem a little modular. Some results won't load just by asking for the right kind of content. You need to say or add more details to find some things which can feel awkward and unfriendly. Whereas Google Assistant won't need that much effort to find a specific result due to its enormously rich database. Although pretty much half the internet runs on Amazon Web Services, so they're sitting on a data mine. Although Amazon probably doesn't have access to the specific user data, but with simple change in terms and condition can grant them access as well. Now let's get serious and into something real. Artificial intelligence softwares do not learn things overnight. They learn things by observing the users. Every search you make, every website you visit, the artificial intelligent assistant always follows you and every move you make so that they know how you behave. For an assistant to work properly and accurately, it needs your data. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos admitted in a recent interview that Alexa do record the conversation of users to give them better experience. But the concern here is that they record users all the time, even when the users are not talking to Alexa. Although this gives a better experience to the users, Amazon takes this data without the user consent and uses it to understand them better. And this is actually a violation of their privacy. Amazon claims that they do this so that Alexa can show ad or preview things that we like or need. While Google, on the other hand, do take our data knowingly and serves ads that can help a user. It's an open secret that Google stores data from users and they do offer users with somewhat power to take control of their personal data. But they also make profits by selling those data to third-party advertisers as well, which would also be considered a violation of consumer rights and privacy, which is also the reason behind Amazon Alexa being more popular on the US than the Google Assistant, as they do not sell user data. When you use your Alexa or Google Assistant integrated devices as your home device, you will have access to all the smart devices of your home with just voice commands. Certainly, Google sees a better future in this market, which is why they started building more of these smart devices under the Google Nest brand lineup. The company was previously owned by the Nest Labs. Google bought this company so that they can produce better quality products. They're also trying to add Assistant on electric cars so that the users can get all the help they can while on the road. Devices made by the Nest Lab comes at a higher price point. Although Google Assistant enabled devices made by third-party manufacturers comes at a really cheap price point. And Chinese manufacturers makes their devices for Google Assistant due to the availability and popularity of Android OS. On the other hand, the most popular home devices from Amazon is their Eco Series devices. Amazon subsidizes on Alexa integrated devices. From the outside, this may look like a small effort to get more users, but it will be more effective in the long run. To spread Alexa among more people, Amazon is trying hard. They're even selling their products on loss just to make it more popular. Amazon is also trying to integrate Alexa with electric cars, and they are way ahead of Google here. And people in USA prefers Alexa more than Google Assistant as it helps them with their shopping experience. Although outside USA, Google Assistant is the most popular voice assistant due to the popularity of Android OS. When it comes to getting one of these devices, ecosystem will play a big role almost all the time. Which ecosystem you are currently on will drive your decision. If you are using Google integrated smart devices, then Google Assistant would be a better choice for you. But if you are using smart devices from Amazon, then you will find Alexa more favorable. If you are still not content with all these devices, then you can always get many other third-party devices that comes with either Alexa or Google Assistant integrated, like the Sonos One, Lenovo Smart Display and LG ThinQ. If you are confused about which one you should choose, then I hope that this video helped you to choose. The technology of artificially intelligent assistant still has a long way to go. It still requires good amount of time and collaboration between different companies. If companies like Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft pours their research together and shares knowledge between each other, then maybe Jarvis-like AI assistant is not far away. But would they be willing to do this together? Or who will win in the race of artificial intelligent assistant? Let us know what you think in the comment below. Hit like if you like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.